How do you keep your people motivated? Based sa mo ang experience mo ni ang mga butang nagipanghimo na mo. Number one is ginasabot jud namo unsa ang ilahang gusto mahitabo silang kinabuhi. Because every single one of them dahil lahi magud sila goals and experiences in life. Naiuban sila naganahan jud og work-life balance from 8 to 5 mao lang jud na ilahang trabaho, and then after that is their personal time. Napoy uban na willing sila mag-go through overtime. They want to work because that's their way of feeling productive and happy. Napoy uban sa ilaha na they're just working because they want to provide for their family. Dahil lain din sila mga gusto. So kailangan nato sabton as the owners of the company kung unsa ang nakapomotivate sila ha. Para mao ta tong gamiton as basihan kung unsa na to pagtabang pod sa ilaha. Dili porket ikaw ang boss kay ikaw ang permanente masunod. Number 2 is compensation. Of course, sa karon na panahon kinahanglan jud nato og kwarta kay ato ang mga palitunon kay grabe na jud siya kamahal. Kanang compensation natong ginahatag sila should be equivalent kung unsa pud ang ilahang contribution sa imuhang negosyo. Kung nakita nimo na deserving siya because he or she is performing well, tagaan nimo siya og sweldo na tarong. Kung gusto pa jud ka maghatag og bonus, then pwede po na nimo himuon because we all know na kanang kwarta makatabang jud na sa ilaha. Number 3 is tagaan nimo sila og recognition in public if they are doing a good job. You can also do it privately kung katong tao na imong kastorya is kanang introvert. If you are going to correct them because naa sila nahimo na sayo, himuha siya privately. Para kaning mga tao nimo is dili mapaulawan tungod kay naa sila sipyat na nahimo. And lastly, number 4 is kailangan jud ta magkaroon og pasensya. As much as we would want to make everything perfect, nag-hire ganitag empleyado, nag-hire ganitag tao para makatabang sila sa tua, para ma-less atong stress, naa jud mga panahon na sila pod ang reason ngano ta ma-stress as boss or as their leader. And normal lang jud na siya. It is part of the game. It is one of the things na kailangan to i-accept. Muna kailangan taas-taas pod ato ang pasensya para dili pod bati ang working environment. So isa pod sa mga kailangan to sabton is that ang kumpanya kinahanglan og companionship. Mao na imuhang mga tao, the people that you work with, and you need to adjust pod sa ilaha kung sila pod mo adjust pod sa imuha in order for the working environment to become more productive. So ikaw, how do you motivate your people to become better in their personal and professional life? Share daw sa comments.